Hello everyone, this is me Mike from Maifeng. Today I am going to show you our product having 4-wheel and 2 doors with the handle load steering. It's beautiful in shape and having capacity of 3 to 4 passengers in it. Let's have a look to the vehicle. If you can see its ceiling, you will find the ceiling fan for the obvious air, and this is the fan for the air, and the other thing is ceiling light for the night, and the last not the least, it's beautiful and beneficial sunroof for the cool and fresh breeze. If you can see, it's beautiful digital meter which shows you the battery and also how much voltage the vehicle gets from the battery, and the gear and the speed on which the vehicle is running. The last and the final thing of this digital meter is the reverse cam screen. It's showing you the reverse camera. Let's have a look to the camera. It will show you the backward while you're reversing. It will be very easy and comfortable for you to rewind the vehicle. Now it's time to show you the major part of every electric vehicle, which is the motor. Let's have a look to its beautiful and powerful motor which ease you for every trip you make.